Apple will unveil its first foldable to the market. It will feature a 5.8 inches cover screen alongside a 7.55 inches inner flexible panel. When folded, the phone measures 83.8 wide, 120.6 long, and 9.6 mm thickness, and with a resolution of 1422 by 2088. And when unfolded, the phone expands to 167.6 wide, 120.6 long, and 48 mm thickness. Design indicates a rear camera module consistent with the iPhone 17 series, featuring a dual camera setup and an expected 48 megapixel main sensor. The front-facing camera is fully integrated under the screen. In terms of performance, the device is expected to use an A20 series processor and 256 GB of storage. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.